Hello students, Miss Rosita again. Today our lesson is writing linear equations. Before we begin, you need to remember to write a linear equation you need a point and a slope or 2 points. Does this sound familiar? Yes, it is, because when I present to you graphing, I told you to graph a linear equation, you need a point and a slope and 2 points. So it is the same thing, students, to write. So I will repeat. To graph and to write a linear equation, you need these two. Okay, let us begin. I have an example here. We will write point-slope form equation given a point 1, 2 and a slope 2/3. Now, I will write at the top, I will write the formula for the point-slope form of equation. Okay. So on this formula, you need to know that y and x, this, the one that I'm pointing, the y and the x are variable. This x sub 1 is the coordinate, x coordinate of a point. Y sub 1 is the y coordinate of a point. So basically, x1 and y1 should be numbers that are the coordinates of one point. And m stands for the slope. Okay? So, let us begin solving or writing the equation. First, I will identify x sub 1. So, x sub 1 should be 1. Y sub 1 should be 2. And slope m is 2/3. Okay? Now, all you have to do is to copy the formula again. But as you copy it, you plug in the values for y1, which is 2. The value for m, which is 2/3. And then copy the variable x minus the value for x1, which is 1. And that's it. You're done, student. So let us look at what our answer. So I said x1 and y1 are numbers. M is a number 2. And x and y are variables. You don't touch it. So we're done. This is our answer. Okay? Now, if you are curious how the graph will look like, I will grab the point, which is 1, 2. And the slope is 2/3, positive 2/3. So I go up 1, 2, and then to the right 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, point. Go up 2, to the right 3, point. Go up 2, to the right 3, point. 2, to the right 3, 2, to the right 3. And that is the graph with a given, this is the graph with a given point 1, 2, and the slope is 2/3. Okay, now your turn. I just want you to write an equation on in point slope form that passes through 3, -5, and has a slope of 5. Begin. Okay, let's see. This is the answer. Compare your answer with my answer. So that will be y minus. Now take notes here that x1 is 3, y1 is negative 5. Okay? So, when I plug in, the formula says y minus y1 equal m parenthesis x minus x1. So I copy down y. I copy this. This is part of the formula. Y minus and then y1 and then m x minus x1. So now I will plug in y1, which is negative 5. M is 5. And then x1 is 3. Okay. I will clear this parentheses. When I have minus negative 5, it turns to be positive. And then minus positive 3, that will be x minus 3. This is your final answer.